Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Croatia. The country with 8 stunning national parks and 11 nature parks with unspoiled nature. The country with mountains and plains. The country on the Adriatic Sea with more than 1,000 islands. The country with 2 peninsulas, and one of them is Istria, where we live.
Istria is situated in the northern coast of the Adriatic Sea. One of the most beautiful places in Istria is Rovinj, of course. There are numerous beaches in Rovinj and small islands around.
There is a variety of bays and small coves, mainly combining rocks with pebble and fine gravel. Some of the beaches offer easy access to the sea, while there are also rocky parts reserved for good swimmers. Our favorite place for walking, jogging, climbing or cycling is the forest park Punta Corente, Golden Cape in English. It is one of the most important natural attractions of Rovinj.
At the end of the 19th century, Georg Hiterod bought 4 Rovinj islands, St. Andrews, Maskin, Sturag and San Giovanni, and began cleaning up an area of about 19 hectares on the Golden Cape to build a spa.
His death interrupted the realization of this ambitious project, but his vision remained and contributed to the development of tourism in this area.
The uniqueness of Punta Corente has been recognized in 1961 and declared a nature park. The whole area is closed to traffic from motor vehicles.
The park contains many species of trees and exotic plants that together make a very favorable place for health and recreation. We are very proud of our coastline, which is a lot of kilometers long. You can walk and walk, enjoying beautiful sea on one side and greenery on the other. If you are very sporty, you can ride a bike along the coastline till the beaches of Bale, a nearby small town. There is a 4-kilometer-long pebble and rocky beach, San Polo. Here you can rest and soak up the sun's warm rays, and if you feel too hot, find shelter in the shade of its rich Mediterranean vegetation.
Another in a series of beaches in the surroundings is the 5-kilometer-long Colonna Beach. This pebble and rocky beach is located on a small peninsula enveloped in pine trees and oaks. While sunbathing or swimming, you will be able to enjoy a view over the islands because of its open coastline.
And this is not all. We are expecting you in October 2023 to enjoy
Well-being in Rovinj.